Filmora versus CapCut. Which video editor is better? Choosing the right video editor can completely change how you create stunning videos without struggling with complicated tools. Both Filmora and CapCut offer unique features for different users. Filmora and CapCut are popular video editors designed for creators of all levels. Filmora focuses on a desktop experience with advanced editing features, while CapCut shines as a mobile-first app with quick, easy editing and social media integration. Filmora is a powerful desktop video editing software developed by Wondershare. It offers a user-friendly interface combined with professional-grade tools, including multi-track editing, color grading, keyframing, and a vast library of effects and transitions. Filmora works by allowing users to import footage, arrange clips on a timeline, and apply creative edits with drag-and-drop ease. Its strengths lie in balancing simplicity with depth, making it suitable for beginners and intermediate users aiming for polished results. Filmora supports 4K editing and exports in various formats, making it versatile for YouTube presentations or personal projects. However, it requires installation on Windows or Mac and may demand a moderate learning curve for advanced features. The software is ideal for creators who want more control than mobile apps provide, but prefer an accessible editing environment without the complexity of professional suites. CapCut is a mobile-focused video editing app developed by ByteDance, designed for quick on-the-go editing primarily on smartphones. It works by letting users import clips, trim, add music, filters, text, and trendy effects optimized for social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. CapCut's strengths include its intuitive touch interface, fast rendering, and a rich selection of ready-to-use templates and stickers that make video creation effortless. It supports vertical video formats and direct sharing to social channels, which is perfect for creators focused on short-form content. Limitations include fewer advanced editing controls compared to desktop editors and reliance on mobile hardware capabilities. CapCut is ideal for casual users, influencers, and social media enthusiasts who want to produce engaging videos quickly without technical complexity or desktop software. Filmora and CapCut serve different creator needs with distinct trade-offs. Filmora excels in detailed editing on desktop, providing precision tools like keyframing and color correction, perfect for longer projects or YouTube videos. It requires installation and some time to master, but delivers professional quality output. CapCut, on the other hand, offers unmatched convenience for mobile users, enabling rapid edits, trendy effects, and easy social sharing. It's ideal for short clips and viral content, but lacks advanced features and desktop power. If you want flexibility and depth with a desktop setup, Filmora is the better choice. For fast, stylish videos directly from your phone, CapCut stands out. Both tools are free to start, but differ in platform and complexity, so your choice depends on your editing style and device preference. Choose Filmora if you prefer a desktop editor with advanced features and more control for creating high-quality, polished videos. Opt for CapCut if you want a mobile-first, easy-to-use app for quick social media videos with trendy effects. Both editors excel in their domains, so pick the one that fits your workflow and content goals to elevate your video creation experience.